Welcome to Delkevic on YouTube. Here's a Suzuki SV650, fitted with a Delkevic 14-inch or 350mm carbon fibre oval silencer, and in this clip, running without the noise suppressing baffle installed. Measured using standard motorsport noise testing protocols, levels are around 100 to 102 decibels without the baffle and 98 to 100 decibels with the baffle. It's on our dyno as part of the testing and development we do for every system on every bike. Remember, no fueling modifications are necessary with any of our exhausts. You just fit and ride.